Welcome to our exploration of the best U.S. wine regions to visit. In this video, we'll take you on a journey through some of the most stunning and diverse wine regions across the country. From the sun-soaked vineyards of Napa Valley in California to the rolling hills of Virginia wine country, each destination offers unique flavors, breathtaking landscapes, and unforgettable experiences. Grab your glasses as we dive into these iconic locales, perfect for wine enthusiasts and travelers alike. Napa Valley, California. Napa Valley is often hailed as the crown jewel of American wine country. Nestled in California's sun-kissed landscape, it boasts over 400 wineries, each offering a distinct taste of the region's rich viticultural heritage. Visitors can relish world-class Cabernet Sauvignons, indulge in gourmet dining, and revel in luxurious spa experiences. The valley's enchanting vistas, with rows of grapevines framed by majestic mountains, make it a photographer's paradise. Napa is not just about wine, it's about the art of living well. Even if you're not a wine aficionado, the region's beauty and charm will captivate your heart. Sonoma County, California. Just a stone's throw from Napa, Sonoma County offers a more laid-back and rustic wine-tasting experience. Known for its diversity, this region produces a wide array of wines, from robust Zinfandels to elegant Chardonnays. The charming small towns, like Healdsburg and Sebastopol, beckon with their unique shops and inviting eateries. Sonoma's varied landscapes, from coastal cliffs to vineyard-covered valleys, provide endless opportunities for exploration. Unlike its glitzy neighbor, Sonoma invites you to slow down, sip, and savor every moment. It's a place where time seems to stand still, allowing you to fully appreciate the simple pleasures of life. 3. Willamette Valley, Oregon. Willamette Valley is a hidden gem for lovers of Pinot Noir. This Oregon region is celebrated for its cool climate and fertile soils, which create the perfect conditions for this delicate grape. The rolling hills and lush greenery make for a picturesque backdrop as you explore the family-owned wineries scattered throughout the valley. In addition to wine, you'll discover a thriving food scene with farm-to-table restaurants and artisanal markets offering local delicacies. Willamette Valley embodies the spirit of the Pacific Northwest, where nature and craftsmanship come together in perfect harmony. It's a place where you can truly connect with the land and its people. Finger Lakes, New York. The Finger Lakes region in upstate New York is a wine lover's paradise, known for its Rieslings and breathtaking scenery. The long, narrow lakes provide a unique microclimate that allows vineyards to thrive. As you drive along the wine trails, you'll be treated to stunning views of shimmering waters and rolling hills. The region's wineries range from large, well-established estates to charming boutique operations. Beyond wine, Finger Lakes offers a wealth of outdoor activities, from hiking to boating, making it a perfect destination for nature enthusiasts. It's a place where you can unwind and let the natural beauty wash over you. Paso Robles, California. Paso Robles, located between Los Angeles and San Francisco, is a vibrant wine region with a warm, welcoming atmosphere. Known for its bold and full-bodied red wines, especially Zinfandel and Syrah, Paso Robles offers a laid-back yet exciting wine-tasting experience. The region's diverse microclimates and soil types contribute to the wide variety of wines produced here. You'll find friendly winemakers eager to share their passion and stories in tasting rooms that range from rustic to modern. Paso Robles embodies the spirit of California's Central Coast, where innovation meets tradition. It's a place where you can explore the best of both worlds. Texas Hill Country, Texas. Texas Hill Country is a rising star in the American wine scene. With its warm climate and limestone-rich soils, this region is perfect for growing Mediterranean grape varieties like Tempranillo and Sangiovese. The scenic drive through rolling hills, dotted with wildflowers and charming small towns, is a delight in itself. The wineries here are known for their hospitality and often host events like live music and food pairings. Texas Hill Country offers a unique blend of southern charm and cowboy spirit, making it a must-visit for those seeking a different kind of wine experience. It's a place where the unexpected becomes extraordinary. Santa Barbara County, California. Santa Barbara County, with its cool ocean breezes and diverse microclimates, is a haven for wine enthusiasts. The region is renowned for its Pinot Noir and Chardonnay, which thrive in the coastal climate. The picturesque vineyards stretch from the Santa Ynez Valley to the Star Rita Hills, offering a variety of tasting experiences. In addition to wine, Santa Barbara's charming towns, like Solvang and Los Olivos, offer delightful shopping and dining options. The region's laid-back vibe and stunning coastal views make it a perfect getaway for relaxation and exploration. It's a place where you can sip, savor, and soak in the beauty of the California coast. Walla Walla Valley, Washington. Walla Walla Valley in Washington State is a rising star in the world of wine. Known for its exceptional Merlot and Cabernet Sauvignon, this region combines old-world traditions with new-world innovation. The charming town of Walla Walla offers a welcoming atmosphere with its boutique wineries and friendly locals. The valley's unique terroir, with its combination of rich soils and varied elevations, contributes to the complexity and depth of its wines. Beyond wine, Walla Walla boasts a vibrant art scene and farm-to-table dining experiences. It's a place where culture, creativity, and viticulture come together in perfect harmony. Virginia Wine Country, Virginia. Virginia Wine Country, with its rolling hills and historic estates, offers a taste of the old world in the heart of America. The region is known for its Viognier and Cabernet Franc, which thrive in the state's unique climate. As you explore the wineries, you'll encounter a rich tapestry of history and tradition, from colonial-era vineyards to modern, sustainable practices. Virginia's wine trails wind through picturesque landscapes, offering stunning views and a sense of tranquility. The region's commitment to quality and innovation has earned it a place on the map of American wine destinations. It's a place where past and present converge to create something truly special. Columbia Valley, Washington. Columbia Valley is the largest wine-producing region in Washington state, known for its diverse range of wines and stunning landscapes. The region's arid climate and volcanic soils create ideal conditions for growing grapes, resulting in bold and flavorful wines. From crisp Rieslings to robust Syrahs, Columbia Valley offers something for every palate. The area's wineries range from large, well-established producers to small family-run operations, each with its own unique charm. Beyond wine, the region offers a wealth of outdoor activities, from hiking to fishing, making it a perfect destination for adventure seekers. It's a place where you can explore the beauty of nature and the art of winemaking.